Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily turn on wide camera mode on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application and open the camera option. At the right hand side, you will see a lot of options. Scroll down the arrow and if you still don't see the option of wide camera, that means the option is not available in your application. Go to Google Play Store, search for Snapchat application, and if you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. Now sometimes even after the application has been updated, you might not be able to see the feature of wide camera. It is because your phone does not support it. After that, tap and hold on the app icon of Snapchat, go to information and go to storage. Clear the cache. After that, if you still are not able to find it, clear the data as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.